Hey friends, are y'all thirsty for something really tasty? Are you tired of sweet tea? I don't know. I don't think we ever get tired of sweet tea, do we? Or even unsweet tea or sodas or water. Well, I want to share with y'all this easy recipe that'll just be a change of pace for you, especially in this heat. Eddie and I just walked out and walked down to the dock a little ways, and I'm sopping wet, y'all. It's like stepping into a crab pot, isn't it, Teresa, when you walk out there? It is truly so hot. What y'all talking about?
Nothing.
Y'all tell me, is it a surprise? I think Eddie wants a pretty glass. Is that what you were asking for?
Yes.
A pretty glass. Okay, well, let's get started because I told y'all how simple it is. We have got 2 cups of frozen pitted cherries. And you know, cherries are in season now, so you actually could use fresh. And we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar. All right, that's a 1/2 cup. Okay. And another 1/2 cup. And we're gonna add, that's 1 cup of fresh lemon juice.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't see you squeezing that up, Teresa.
I promise you I did.
I know, I'm saying, I believe you. I believe you. But, you know, that's hard work. Look what I just did. That liquid gold. You know, my eyes, Teresa, I can't, I've lost my depth perception.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, so I just wasted some of that wonderful lemon juice that you worked hard to get. I'm so sorry.
Look at this. I have just a teeny bit left.
Oh,
in
yay,
it
I'll
that you
take
can
it.
use.
I will take it. I probably spilled a little bit more than that, but... Okay, so we're gonna just blend this. Yeah, I put my sugar. What you doing, Great? She's doing her exercise. Don't forget to bend your feet up. You know, pick your feet up. That is so hard. So Aunt Peggy is under the care of a physical therapist 3 times a week. So she's doing her mid-afternoon exercise. And we're trying to bend our legs and walk like this. When you get off the rider, she got to try to scoot off away. We want to make sure that sugar gets dissolved, y'all. Can I have a pretty short slice of lemon to go on top? And if you have any stuff, great. Thank you. You can give me just a piece of that. I don't need that. Just a slice of lemon to go on top. Will be perfect. All right, so let's see. This is a great machine, Teresa, for slushies and milkshakes, things like that. All right, so in the pitcher it goes. Make sure all that sugar gets in there. All right, now we're gonna add 5 cups of chilled seltzer water. And this holds 4 cups, but we need 5 cups. This is gonna be so refreshing, isn't it, Teresa?
I think so. I love cherries, so.
I love cherries too. I buy them by the bag and I just keep them on the table. Is my stuff in your way?
No.
Whoa! Whoa! Be careful! Glub, 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 glub. Whoa. Eddie, I know I've got a glass stirrer somewhere. Do you know?
No.
I know I got one somewhere, but I just can't remember. Whoa, that's so pretty. Oh, thank you. Eddie got us some mint and a piece of lemon. See, like in that chicken. Look, Teresa, go over there and see what Sullivan's doing. Come look. Oh, I thought you were just gonna pour them in there and let them soak. No? He is feasting over here. Now, I've got homemade cookies here. He is feasting on bird cookies with a bowl of milk. I thought you were gonna put your cookies in there and then eat them with a spoon. That boy's got a...
Spoon.
Huh?
Where's the spoon?
It's right here in the drawer.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do
I
it.
have to pass the bag
Let's
in.
do it. Eat it like cereal. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Now don't eat too much, or you'll ruin your whatever your next meal is. Supper, lunch, breakfast. All righty. So here we go. I'm gonna add a little bit more ice to this one. Look at that stuff. Is it not ever gonna go down? What do they say? To stir, like a carbonated soda, stick your finger in it and it'll help it go down. That doesn't appear to be working though, does it? Oh my goodness.
Maybe you would pour it in a little bit slower.
I poured it too fast. You can see I'm not used to pouring beer and stuff like that because I know you have to kind of tilt the glass. But I didn't. I'm not used to. All right, so here we go. Aunt Peggy, would you like a glass of foam?
Yes.
Okay. Y'all, I wish y'all had stopped me from just glub, glub, glubbing that. Okay. No liquid yet. There, I'm going to pour some off in this glass and see. There we go. Now we got some liquid coming out. Well, this sure is pretty. I think I'm gonna switch glasses, Eddie. Oh, and this fresh mint. Doesn't that look refreshing? It looks so refreshing. All right, now I'm gonna pour the rest of our carbonated water.
Go have your afternoon drink.
Can you go up farther?
Yeah, go on in.
All right, we still don't
Moving
have
in
a...
on it.
Okay, there you go. You take that, and I'll see if I can get some liquid. You know what? I'm gonna try to get some of that foam out and put it in the rest of the carbonated water.
It's good. Refreshing.
There we go. Now we're getting to it.
And it's real light. It's light in the way.
Yay.
Uh-huh.
Yay. You know, it's just different. We drink so much water, so much soda, so much tea. It's just a nice change, isn't it?
Cherries are good for you.
They are, aren't they? What vitamin do they supply?
I knew you were going to try to ask me some question like that.
I don't know if it's
Let's
C.
guess. I'm gonna say C.
C, that's what I'd say too.
I don't know.
Not that I have any knowledge of anything like that.
Oh my goodness. That's wonderful,
Uh-huh.
isn't it?
Light.
It's been a long time since I tasted this recipe, but it is so, so good. And you're right, it's light. I mean, put a cup of sugar in it, but Oh, we forgot to say cheers. Bon appetit, y'all.
Love it.
I love it. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.